Super Rugby Trans-Tasman round 3 from McLean Park in Napier, the best performing Australian team 2021, the Force, to come here to Napier to play Hurricanes, who are in great form. Domingo Miotti with a midfield bomb. Rayasi, he doesn't take it cleanly. Campbell. Domingo Miotti, a star of the Gawares team. Sevens, Miotti, and gets his team off to a good start, 3-0. Again, it's Jeremy Thrush. The ball is too big, and now a sub for Moore. He's opened up the Force. It's a foot race to the try line. There'll be no problem for a sub for Moore. One shot with the ball, one shot in defence. And already he's making some noise. A sub for Moore.
Well, I'll tell you what, I love to see a shot of Jason Holland now. And look at that, 50 metres. He's got number 2 on the back of his shirt. What a try.
Back of the line now for a Princep, and now Evans. They will recycle on the 4-metre line. Walker, Leowede, Campbell. Umanga Jensen with a long ball for Rayasi. That is classy rugby from the Hurricanes. A good read, a good execution from Umanga Jensen. And from the moment that kid caught the ball, it was a try. Geordie from a long way out. Distance is never going to be a problem. Kubeli takes a few metres out. In a good offload. Oh, great job, Tyrell Lomax with the strip. Now they go on the attack. Karifi away from the first defender. Duplessis Karifi. And what about the work from Tyrell Lomax? They had the ball, the Force, straight in, ripped the ball, and then Duplessis Karifi puts his name all over it.
Geordie Barrett on that inside, breaks through, and he just finishes the work off. Nice try, Hurricane.
Kahui runs straight at Princep to Umanga Jensen, who's over the ball. Kubeli.
Out there, half time.
So 3 tries, 2 conversions, and 2 penalties. 19 points to 6, the Hurricanes over the Force at halftime. There's the line out win, now the drive. They move that ball at Scrafton. And that's Princep. Now, Walker Leowede. Ledger. Umanga Jensen. Barrett, now a chance for Witz-Huizen. It's a foot race to the corner, and he can finish. With class and style, where's Huizen?
Well, he's got plenty of gas, hasn't he? Geordie Barrett, 2 to make sure he gets to Witz-Huizen. When you got speed like him, no way they're stopping him.
2.5 metres out prior. A loose ball over the top, Rayasi. Put the glasses down and lean back. They're not going to run him down. Rayasi, half a chance. He's a classy finisher. Rayasi.
Oh, gee, is he one? He's had a very good first half. He's finished off a try. That's his second for the night. Too fast, Rayasi.
And he is a world-class finisher. Rayasi. It's tough on the Force. And now Artie Xavier backing up a little chip and chase. And Nani Laumape, our game can be so unforgiving. They deserve to try the Force. And now they're back inside their own end goal and have to watch the Hurricanes celebrate.
Unforgiving, you're right. This game, it can be absolutely cruel. But how about the execution just over the top from Geordie Barrett? Everyone down there, right, Giles, Artie Xavier, during 2 defenders. And Nani Laumape, what a try.
The 3 great players on the same wavelength there. Nani Laumape, fantastic finisher.
Proctor Second man play, a no-look pass. Hoyson, bit of footwork goes in and out. Jordy Barrett will have the final say. And an entertaining night for the 9,200 here at McLean Park in Napier. Jordy Barrett.
And no one more deserve it as well. He's had an outstanding game. There's Jordy Barrett, some brilliant handling, some skill work there from the backs. Have a look at this. Jordy Barrett on the inside. He goes outside, but look, he stays in play. West Houston, the awareness to know that he's come around on the outside. And what a finish from the big fella.
Jordy Barrett. 7 tries to 0, a dominant performance from the Hurricanes. They were the favourites on paper, and they got it done on the park. 43 points to 6.